Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make the loudness of your voices will have equal volume in the audition. So we are here in the exceptional world of the audition. We have 4 different files, and they all have different levels. This one is quiet. This one is loud. This one is quite loud. And this one is loud too. So go to the window and find Match Loudness window, which will appear here. Drag all of these audio files into the window. And the target loudness must be -23. And we need to make sure that the export is ticked down here. And click Export Settings. Just hit OK. And click Run. So as you can see now, if we roll through all of these files, you can see how the waveform's looking rather uniform and similar. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this audition tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.